Hello everyone, I'm Oriol.
I'm Paul and we are from MICRO DYNAMICS.
Today we are going to introduce the tool Setup HMI function. We are going to show you how to install it, how to use it in automatic mode and in manual mode.
The advantages are: first, a quick automatic measurement; second, the reduction of the error of the measurement; third, increase the productivity; the fourth one, tool breakage for automation.
Yes, for all this, we are going to use just this simple RENISHAW LTS tool setter. This tool setter, it goes, in this case, we install it in the back of the table. It has two lines. One is air blow to clean before measure. It will clean the chip or the coolant that we have in the top. It goes connected to the back of the electrical cabinet with one relay, very easy. Let's go to the back to see. The electrical cabinet is very well organized. In this case, the cables come from the top, connect to the relay. Here is the I/O module. This allows us not only to add this tool setter, but any other device very easy. Now that everything is connected, let's go for the setup.
Right now I'm gonna show you how to turn on the probe in the parameters, so I go to user parameters, peripheral, PLC bits. I need to find the measurements and turn on the probe. Turn on the air blast. I need to set up my skip signal to 0. Before calibration, I need to restart the machine. Right now I'm gonna check the skip signal. I need to search for X6F8 input. And then right now, every time I touch the probe, my skip signal is going to 1. For calibration, I'm gonna use the hard probe that I know the length of 100 millimeters and 3 microns, and I already position it around 10 millimeters above the stylus of the LTS. So right now, I need to go here to our HMI. I need to go here, calibration of the tool setter. I need to put my length. I need to put the skip signal 3 and turn the air blast. Press autocorrect. I need to change mode to MDI. Okay, and I need to just simply start. And click finish.
Now we are going to start measuring tools. We are going to use the automatic mode and we are going to see all the buttons and functions that we have in the HMI.
Yes, but first I need to clear the list of the data I had before.
We have now the table empty. There's two ways to add the tools into the table. One is the scanner program and the other one is key in manual.
Yeah. First, I'm gonna copy the program from my USB to my hard drive. So right now I can just scan the program and it automatically gonna input all the tools I have included in the program.
The other way is manually. Just clear the list again and we just put the number of each tool that we want to measure. In this video, we are going to measure the tools 2 times. First time we are going to do it with all the tools already loaded. And the second time we are going to use the function for load the tool. Let's go for the first one. Tool number 1
is the face mill. So I cannot measure it on the center. I need to make a diameter shift. But the second tool is the end mill, so I can just measure it on the center of the LTS.
I think it's very easy. Just pause to MDI, cycle start, on the machine. We call the tools and measure them automatically.
Right now the machine stopped asking me for orientation of the tool. So I simply orientate the tool here, press Set Orient, and press the cycle start.
We saw how to measure the tools when they are already inside the magazine. Now we have the tools outside of the magazine, and we are going to use this function for load the tools.
First, I'm gonna clear the list. I'm gonna input tool number 1, tool number 2. With tool number 1, so the face mill, I need to make sure that I have diameter shift of 63, and I need to press N01, so optional stop, that the machine's gonna stop to load the tools. Right now, I'm gonna pause to NDI and press the cycle start. Right now, the machine stopped. I simply switch mode to MPG, load the tool, orientate the tool. I need to press Set Orient, go to NDI and press cycle start again. Machine stopped again. MPG, load the tool, switch to NDI and cycle start. And at the end, I simply press finish.
Well, I think for automatic tool setup, it's everything.
Not really, you forgot about the tool breakage.
Oh, yeah, let's see how to use the tool breakage.
I'm going to the tool magazine. I need to change my view of the tool magazine to list by tool. And I want to use the tool breakage on tool number 2.
For the M code, we go to the user manual. Have here all the M codes.
And here I have M503, that is calling my macro program of the tool breakage. M2 is for the breakage detection, and H, it means what is my tolerance of the tool length. So I already prepared all the program with the tolerance of 0.1 millimeter here.
Now, Pavel, can we simulate a real tool breakage, please?
Yes, we can. I'm gonna go to the tool magazine page. Here I'm gonna input like -0.5 in the tool length. I'm gonna update the tool and I'm gonna play the program once again with the tolerance of 0.1. So simply I just go to the memory and press cycle start. It should detect the tool breakage.
In case we don't have the LTS or any like tool setter, we are going to use now the HMI functions in manual mode. Pavel, please.
Yes, first I need to go from the automatic one to the manual one. And the first thing I need to do is to calibrate the height of my gouge that I'm gonna use. I already positioned my hard probe above the gouge, so right now I only need to move so it shows me the 0. And right now I go to setting. I input my machine position that I'm currently on, and I need to add my tool length. I press OK. As you can see here, the tool offset says exactly my tool length that I'm calibrating with. So right now, I can just go up and I can measure all the rest of the tool. I simply need to change the tool. And move it to the gouge with my MPG. When the gouge is showing me 0, I simply click measure.
That's all for today. just remember, we've been all the time measuring the positive length of the tool. This allows us like to use offline tool setter, or also measure the tools in the machine and take them to other machines. But there are other operators or other applications that they measure different way, right, Pablo?
Yes. Some people, they like to measure from tip of the tool to the workpiece or to the table. We also have this included in our measurements.
All this information, all the manuals, you can find them in the HMI user manual. And then we can find like all the instructions, how to do all we did today. Thank you very much for watching today the video. Stay alert for future videos that we are going to record, and
See you soon.